Once I lived behind gray walls, foundations of strong stone. Them walls were growing thicker every year. At times I thought there must be something missing from my life, but I figured, what the hell, I'm here. I figured, what the hell, I'm here. Till Hurricane Rita blew down my wall and they were playing cards. Hurricane Rita, you can't say no to nature, I forget. Hurricane Rita like Shiva to make and break our one. Hurricane Rita, chaos and love, chaos and love. Winds were blowing, roofs were flying, folks are safety in their cellars. I flung myself to the fury of the skies. Sometimes salvation lies in danger. It's scary, but it's true, and that's wisdom that I learned from you. Hurricane Rita blew down my walls like they were playing cards. Hurricane Rita, you can't say no to nature, I forget. Hurricane Rita like Shiva to make and break all one. Hurricane Rita, chaos and love, chaos and love. Now we lie together under clean scrubbed skies. Silver dawn, it slowly starts to spread. I foresee some calm, golden, sunny days ahead, but with no wildness, you might as well be dead. But I'm safe with Hurricane Rita blew down my walls like they were playing cards. Hurricane Rita, you can't say no to nature, I forget. Hurricane Rita like Shiva to make and break our one. Hurricane Rita, chaos and love. Hurricane Rita, chaos and love.